Fiber optic networks demand precision cleaning. Contaminants such as dust, oils, and microscopic debris can interfere with fiber optic networks, degrading signal quality, increasing latency, and even causing failures, requiring costly callbacks for rework. Stay tuned for how to use the Sticklers CleanClickers as your go-to tool for quick, high-performance cleaning of fiber optic connectors and adapters at the lowest cost per clean. Sticklers CleanClickers are the perfect solution for cleaning a wide range of fiber optic connectors. They have color-coded labels for easy identification. The CleanClickers' advanced features include the high-purity cleaning strand that removes dust, particulate, and oil contamination. An ergonomic pen-style design cleans 90% of all connectors with just a single click. No need for multiple activations. The gentle activation mechanism prevents damage to delicate end faces. A long barrel uses more cleaning ribbon per click for superior cleaning performance and fits inside high fiber count panels without disrupting adjacent connectors. The CleanClicker 750s exceed standard performance and deliver exceptional cost savings. Cartridge refills reduce costs by approximately 20% compared to buying new cleaners and help prevent plastic landfill waste. The 1K Plus CleanClickers feature a pliable design for hard-to-reach bulkheads. They deliver over 1,000 consistent cleans per unit, minimizing downtime and the number of tool replacements, resulting in greater efficiency and lower overall costs. Using the CleanClicker is simple. Remove the end cap from the CleanClicker and place it in the slot at the end of the handle. Twist the CleanClicker housing slightly to move it from lock to clean. Insert the CleanClicker into the bulkhead first, then the patch cord. Push it in until you feel and hear it click. In most applications, the CleanClicker will completely remove contamination with a single click. Clicking too many times can create friction and electrostatic discharge that can draw contaminants to the end face. After cleaning, always inspect the connectors with an inspection scope to ensure they're clean. If you find residue, you may need to clean again. Place the end cap back onto the tip of the CleanClicker. To replace the cleaning cartridge, first lock the cartridge barrel. Firmly pull to remove and replace the refill cartridge. If you find slightly higher than normal levels of contamination when inspecting either end of a connector pair, use the best practice of wet to dry cleaning. You will use Sticklers splice and connector cleaning fluid with Sticklers Clean Wipes. Never apply cleaning fluid directly to the CleanClicker tip. It's hard to control how much fluid is applied, and you risk oversaturating the connector. Open the cleaning fluid container. Remove one cleaning wipe from the box. Fold it in half and press down once or twice on the open lid to dispense an automatically metered dose of cleaning fluid. Touch the CleanClicker tip once to the wet part of the wipe so it is slightly moist and clean the connector end. Repeat on a new spot of the moistened wipe to perfectly clean the next end face. Remember to clean both ends of a connector pair, starting with the bulkhead first, then the patch cord. Inspect each connector after cleaning with an inspection scope. Place the end cap back onto the tip of the CleanClicker when done. Speed, precision, and reliability, all in just one click. And for fully automated, touchless cleaning that reduces human error and maximizes efficiency, check out the Sticklers Pro 360 Touchless Cleaner. It's fast, consistent, and ideal for high-volume, high-density fiber environments. Explore the full line of Sticklers cleaning solutions at sticklerscleaners.com.